Stone Age was the initial age of human evolution. Now, in this Stone Age, first part was known as the Paleolithic Age. Now, during this time, the earth was snow covered and it was also called the Ice Age. And after Ice Age came the Mesolithic Age. So, after the Paleolithic Age came the Mesolithic Age. Now, what exactly is Mesolithic? Well, it is made up of two words, meso and lithos. Meso means middle and lithos means stone. So, Mesolithic Age basically is Middle Stone Age. So, the Paleolithic Age was succeeded by Mesolithic Age. And the Mesolithic Age existed roughly from 10,000 BC to between 6,000 and 4,000 BC. So, this was an approximate period when we can say that the age was Mesolithic Age. Now, what exactly changed in the Mesolithic Age? Well, initially the earth was covered with ice. So, that was the Paleolithic Age, and human beings hunted such animals, that is the woolly mammoth. But slowly the earth became warmer. So, the ice melted and many bigger animals died. The earth became greener. So, there were dense forests and human beings started hunting smaller animals such as the red deer. Now, what exactly changed here? Well, these smaller animals were much faster, and those tools which were used in Paleolithic Age were not enough for killing these animals or hunting these animals. So, human beings needed more sophisticated tools or weapons. And that's why human beings started using microliths. Now, what exactly are microliths? Well, these are small pieces or flints of stone, and these are pretty sharp, that is much sharper than the tools which were used in the Paleolithic Age. And among other tools, arrows were fitted with microliths, and these were used as important weapons for hunting. So, what are microliths? Small chips and flakes of sharp stone or flint, which could be set into a piece of wood or bone to give a cutting implement, or which could be used as arrow points. So, these microliths were an important innovation for humankind. So, in Mesolithic Age, human beings started using microliths, and these tools were much more sophisticated compared to the tools of the Paleolithic Age. So, these were the blunt stone tools of Paleolithic Age, and then human beings started using microliths. So, these were sharper tools of the Mesolithic period. So, with the use of microliths, tools became sharper compared to Paleolithic Age. Also, during the Paleolithic Age, man majorly used natural shelters, right? But in the Mesolithic Age, man started to build artificial shelters. Now, these shelters which were built in Mesolithic Age were not that sophisticated. That is, they couldn't be a permanent replacement to the natural shelters, or couldn't be much safer than the natural shelters. But whenever human beings could not access natural shelters, they were able to use these artificial shelters to protect themselves from natural processes. So, man started to build artificial shelters during the Mesolithic Age. Also, a major innovation was making of dugout boats. So, man started using dugout boats. Now, what exactly were these boats? Well, these were made from tree trunks. So, by digging out tree trunks, they were able to make such boats. And using these boats, they could go fishing even in rivers. So, dugout boats were used for fishing during the Mesolithic period. So, this was a major innovation by mankind. So, during the Mesolithic age, human beings started using microliths, which was a major innovation. And these were fitted into different wood and bones, and they were used as important tools. So, man also started using bow and arrow during this period, and these arrows were fitted with microliths. So, they were able to hunt smaller animals even in forests. Also, they invented boats. This was also a major innovation in this period. And they started making artificial shelters. So, you see, man started evolving. So, in the Paleolithic age, man usually lived in natural shelters, used stone tools which were not that sharp. But when they came to Mesolithic age, by that time they had evolved. They had become more sophisticated. They had learned to build artificial shelters and boats, and also sharper tools using microliths. So Mesolithic age was a major stage of evolution for mankind.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.